Welcome to Shipriti Educational Online Classes. So today we are going to start current affair of May. So let's get started. Bamboo Conclave held via video conferencing. A Bamboo Conclave was held through video conference and was addressed by Union Minister of State Development of Northeastern Region, that is DONER, Dr. Jitendra Singh. It featured the participation of representatives of Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, the Union Ministry of Agriculture, and various other stakeholders from different sectors. During his address, Jitendra Singh deliberated on the Ministry of DONER plans to promote bamboo manufacturing and trade, as well as working out the practicability of public-private partnership, that is PPP, ट्रिपल पी इन द सेक्टर। तो जो बॉम्बे कॉन्क्लेव हुआ है वो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के थ्रू हुआ था, वॉज एड्रेस बाय ये यूनियन मिनिस्टर स्टेट डेवलपमेंट नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह के द्वारा एड्रेस किया गया था। इट वॉज फीचर्ड द पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन। इसमें जो फीचर्स ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन के, द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड वेरियस अदर स्टेक होल्डर्स from different sectors से। During his address, Jitendra Singh deliberated on the Ministry of DONER plan to promote। उनके इस एड्रेसिंग के दौरान उन्होंने जितेंद्र सिंह deliberated on the Ministry of DONER plans to promote bamboo manufacturing। उन्होंने बताया कि plan to promote bamboo manufacturing को promote करेंगे and trade as well as working out the practicability of public private partnership, जो public private partnership है in this sector। West Bengal government rolls out exit app. The West Bengal government has rolled out an exit app for people from other states who are stuck in West Bengal during the nationwide lockdown and desire to return to their native place। जो लोग वहाँ पे रह गए वेस्ट बंगाल में, जो लॉकडाउन हो गया उस टाइम पे रह गए थे, तो एक एग्जिट ऐप बनाया गया है वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा, ताकि उन लोगों को जिनके अंदर डिजायर है टू रिटर्न देयर नेटिव प्लेस, अपनी अपनी जगहों पे वापस लौटें। इट विल एनेबल दीज पीपल हु आर विलिंग टू गो बैक टू देयर नेटिव स्टेट। उन लोगों को जो वापस जाना चाहते हैं अपने अपने स्टेट्स, बाय अप्लाइंग ऑनलाइन ऑन दिस ऐप। इस ऐप के थ्रू अप्लाई कर सकते हैं ऑनलाइन। It can be accessed by the stranded pupil from the West Bengal government EGA बांग्ला वेबसाइट। तो एक बांग्ला वेबसाइट है। चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल ममता बनर्जी, गवर्नर जगदीप धनखड़। CSIR IGIB signs MOU with Tata Sons for licensing. Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology has partnered with Tata Sons for licensing of know-how for Faluda in order to execute rapid diagnosis of COVID-19. The partnership aims to provide license which will enable transfer of the knowledge for scaling up the know-how in the form of a kit in order to employ it for COVID-19 testing on grounds as soon as possible. The main advantage of Faluda is its affordability, relative ease of use, as well as non-dependency on expensive qPCR machines. Krishnan Ramachandran appointed as new MD and CEO of Max. Krishnan Ramachandran appointed as a new MD and CEO of Max. Krishnan Ramachandran has been appointed as a new Managing Director, MD and CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer of Max Bupa Health Insurance. Prior to this, he has served as a CEO of Apollo Munich Health Insurance. He has over 23 years of experience in health insurance, healthcare, and life science segments. Now the important points. Max Bupa Health Insurance established 2008. Max Bupa Health Insurance headquarters is in New Delhi, India. Ashok Michael Pinto nominated as US representative to IBRD. Indian American lawyer Ashok Michael Pinto has been nominated by the US President Donald Trump as US representative to the World Bank's leading arm, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. He has been nominated as US alternate executive director of IBRD for the nation of 2 years. He is currently serving as counselor to the Under Secretary for International Affairs at the United States Department of the Treasury. World Bank headquarters, Washington, D.C. US World Bank President David Robert Malpass. The motto of the World Bank: working for a world free of poverty. Saurav Lodha honored with the Young Career Award in Nanoscience. IIT Bombay Professor Saurav Lodha has been honored with the Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology for the year 2020 for his pioneering contribution in the development of logic transistors technology, past silicon and nanoelectronic devices based on two-dimensional van der Waals material. This award is instituted by the Department of Science and Technology, that is DST, Government of India. The Marcus Wallenberg Prize 2020 announced Joseph J. Landsberg, Richard H. Waring, and Nicholas C. Coops will share the 2020 Marcus Wallenberg Prize for a model to predict forest growth in a changing climate. The prize ceremony will be held in Stockholm, Sweden, and the prize money is 2 million kroner. Vladimir Putin honors Kim Jong-un with a World War II medal. Russian President Vladimir Putin has honored the North Korean leader Kim Jong-un with a World War II Memorial Medal marking the 75th anniversary of the victory over Nazi Germany. The North Korean leader was awarded with medal for his role in preserving the memory of Soviet soldiers who died on North Korean territory. Now the important points to remember: Russia's capital Moscow, Russia's currency Russian ruble, North Korean capital Pyongyang, and North Korea's currency North Korean won. Operation Samudra Setu launched by Indian Navy. An operation named Samudra Setu has been launched by the Indian Navy as a part of India's effort to bring back Indian citizens who are stranded overseas during COVID-19 pandemic. As part of phase first of Operation Samudra Setu, Indian naval ships Jalashwa and Magar are presently proceeding to the port of Mail Republic of Maldives to start evacuation operation from 8th May 2020. Now the Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karambir Singh, Lieutenant General Raj Shukla assumes charge of Army Training Command. Lieutenant General Raj Shukla has assumed the command of the Army Training Command, that is ARTRAC. He was commissioned into the Regiment of Artillery in December 1982. He has served 2 tenures at the Military Operations Directorate and as a Director General Perspective Planning at Army Headquarters. Now 28th Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Naravne. The motto of Indian Army: service before self. Headquarters of Indian Army, जो headquarter है Indian Army की, the headquarters of an Indian Army, New Delhi. Badminton World Championship 2020 postponed. The Badminton World Championships 2020 has been postponed to November 2021. The tournament will be held at the Carolina Marin Stadium in Huelva, Spain. The championship would be organized by the Badminton World Federation and Spanish Badminton Federation. Badminton World Federation headquarters Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Badminton World Federation founded 5th July 1934. Badminton World Federation President Paul-Erik Hoyer Larsen. Ultraviolet disinfection tower developed by DRDO. An ultraviolet disinfection tower has been developed by the Laser Science and Technology Center, that is LSC-TEC, to achieve rapid and chemical-free disinfection of high infection-prone areas. It is a UV-based area sanitizer which is beneficial for high-tech surfaces such as electronic equipment, computers and other gadgets in laboratories as well as offices that are not suitable for disinfection with chemical methods. Former Union Minister Dalit Azhilamalai passes away. Former Union Minister Dalit Azhilamalai passes away. Former Union Minister Dalit Azhilamalai Azihil Malai, who served as the Union Minister of State Health and Family Welfare Independent Charge during the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government in 1998 to 1999, passed away. As an army officer, he took part in 1971 Indo-Pak War and also received the Sainik Seva Medal from the President for his meritorious service in the army. Chandigarh launches CHD COVID app to provide COVID-19. The Chandigarh government has launched a new mobile application named CHD COVID to provide COVID-19 related information. It has been developed in-house by the Society for Promotion of IT in Chandigarh, that is SPIC, and act as a single point platform where people can access all the guidelines, orders and notifications issued by administration and Government of India. Lieutenant Governor of Chandigarh VP Singh Badnoor, NGMA K Sangrah Se, presented by National Gallery of Modern Art. National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi has presented a virtual program NGMA K Sangrah Se. The theme for the current week of the virtual program is Artist by Artists and has been dedicated to Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Various other exciting and thought-provoking themes are planned for the coming days and will provide art lovers, artists, art connoisseurs, students, teachers an opportunity to see the rarely presented artwork from their homes. Thank you. So please stay safe at your home. Thank you. So please stay safe during COVID-19 and also press the bell icon for the latest updates and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.